Good day, friends. We have the power to change our life. If we are not contented with our life, we must do something to follow our dreams. So we can change our life on whatever aspect we want it to be. If we want to change our financial status, we can. Want to change our toxic relationship, we can. We want to change our lifestyle, we can. We have all the power to change our life. For instance, in financial aspect, if you want to change, you must have a goal. You must focus on your goal, how to achieve it. Without focus, without passion, without determination, we cannot achieve it. So if we talk about financial changes, we must have almost all the qualities to achieve it. We must have the attitude and the discipline, like saving. Saving is power. If you have an income there, save 10% for future use, like for investment, for any opportunities that will become an asset to you. Asset meaning there is a flow of income, cash flow into your life. Budget. So you set a limit to your budget. Once your budget is eating you up and bleeding you to death, cut it off. Look for something substitute for that budget or expenses. You must have a strategy to fix it if it is consuming your budget. And if you have something wrong with your finances, you must study books, you must find a mentor, you must learn like investing. And you must know what is investing, how it will bring you money. If you want to change your life, your financial budget, you should widen your perspective. You must go with people who have the same vibes with you. Many of us incur debts. They loan in the bank, they loan on people. You should study the system of loaning. If it's advantageous to you, if it will bring cash flow, no problem, you loan. But if your debt will kill you, will drown you. So if you don't understand debts or loan, don't go in that path. Many people become slave of debts or loan. So you have to free yourself, avoid it if you don't know how to manage your debts or loan. So if you don't know how to take care of your finances, you should study financial education, financial literacy. So you start small. Because once you don't know how to take care of money, you will end up no money. But if you know how to take care of your money, money will take care of itself. It will grow, it will add, it will multiply. So however, the problem is if you don't know how to handle money, start small, start handling small money and have the skill to multiply it. And the most important thing is if you want to improve in your financial life, you must have a goal. Number one is the goal. If you have don't no goal, you have no guide, you have no path to follow. So you set a goal, small goal at a time. Set a goal, set a target. That's the most important thing to achieve financial freedom. Set a goal. Goal setting is very important. So analyze your goal, find strategies to achieve it, and study all aspects of finances. Once you are at the top of the mountain, once you are there, you know what is social inflation. So many will come to you, many will invite you to join this, join that, and spend your money. You'll buy this car, this luxurious car, this house. Once they don't bring money, they are liabilities. So instead of lifting you up, you'll be in crisis. And social means your lifestyle, your once you buy this, buy that, spend on things that don't bring money, you will have what you call social inflation. Many said that you focus on one resources that brings money. And many also advocate multiple streams of income. You try to look for multiple stream of income. But those who were there in multiple stream of income, having multiple streams of income, first they encourage you to focus only on one. If you have not been there, you only focus on one resources, one asset that brings money. You make it grow. Once there is a surplus or there are more money coming in and there are many money left, then that money left can be invested to other multiple stream of income. If you are just starting, don't start a multiple stream of income. Focus on one stream of income that brings money. Make it grow. Don't you might misinterpret literally that you must have multiple stream of income. No, you only focus on one business first, make it grow, manage it, learn and experience how it comes and go. Then you level up for multiple streams of income. Thank you.